Is your phone constantly restarting on its own? It is a frustrating issue, but understanding the potential causes is the first step toward a solution. In this video, we will walk through a diagnostic guide to help you identify and fix the problem. Generally, phones restart for two main reasons. Sometimes, the operating system initiates a restart as a protective measure to prevent hardware damage from overheating. Other times, the restart occurs because critical hardware or software components have failed entirely. To narrow down the cause, we look at three root categories: your environment, your hardware, and your software. These cover external temperatures, physical components like the battery or buttons, and internal elements like the operating system, apps, and storage. Let's look at the environment. Extreme temperatures can trigger restarts. Phones are designed to operate optimally between 0 and 35 degrees Celsius. Operating outside this range, especially in high heat, can damage your battery and force your device to shut down for safety. Physical obstructions can also be the culprit. A case that is too tight might be accidentally pressing the power button, causing intermittent reboots. Meanwhile, dust or debris inside the charging port can interfere with power delivery, leading to system instability. Sometimes, these restarts are intentional. Your device might have features like scheduled auto restarts enabled to keep things running smoothly. Additionally, your phone may be automatically installing system updates overnight, which requires a reboot to finalize. Storage is another critical factor. Your operating system needs a certain amount of free space to perform background tasks efficiently. If your storage drops below 10%, the system may struggle to function, leading to crashes and automatic restarts. Software issues, such as bad code or corrupted apps, can also break system stability. Outdated applications can cause conflicts within the operating system, and in more severe cases, malware can hijack system resources, forcing your phone to crash and reboot. Finally, consider the age of your hardware. Batteries naturally degrade over time, losing their ability to deliver a stable, consistent voltage. If the power supply drops suddenly due to a worn-out battery, the phone will restart to prevent further issues. Now that you know the causes, let's look at the diagnostic steps. We recommend starting with simple physical checks, then moving into software optimization, and finally using advanced modes or resets if the problem persists. For step 1, check your hardware. Remove your phone case to see if the restarts stop. Use a small tool to gently clean any debris out of your charging port, and ensure your phone is kept in a temperature-controlled environment, away from direct sunlight. For step 2, optimize your software. Ensure your operating system and all installed apps are fully updated to the latest versions. Additionally, go through your files and delete old data to ensure you have at least 10% of your storage free. For step 3, use safe mode. This feature temporarily disables all third-party apps, allowing only core software to run. If your phone stops restarting in safe mode, you know one of your downloaded apps is the culprit, and you can delete it easily. For step 4, consider your final options. A factory reset will wipe all data and restore your software to its original state, which can fix deep system conflicts. If the problem persists after a reset, you may have hardware damage requiring a professional technician. Maintaining your phone is the best way to prevent future restarts. Keep your software updated, manage your storage regularly, and always try to protect your device from extreme heat to keep your battery healthy for years to come.